Most of your ad money vanishes before people even blink. 90% of it dies in the scroll. Why? Because your first line fails to stop the thumb. And if it doesn't, everything after it, the offer, the copy, the design, never even gets seen. Let's fix that in 3 seconds. I call it the 3-second test. It's simple. Open your ad. Read only the first line out loud. Then ask yourself, would this make a stranger stop? If your gut says no, delete it. Here's a weak line. Discover our premium skincare line designed for you. It sounds nice, but nobody cares. Now here's a better one. Tired of spending $100 on creams that don't work? That line hits. It's real. It makes you feel something. That's the secret. The first line isn't about features. It's about feeling. You need tension, a question, a truth they recognize. Because the job of the hook isn't to sell. It's to make people care long enough for you to sell. So, here's your challenge. Run your ad through the 3-second test today. Read that first line. If it doesn't stop the scroll, rewrite it until it does. You don't need more ads. You just need the right first 3 seconds. And hey, if this helped you see your ads differently, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.